YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply, back again with a what's in the box today on a Polaris cleaner part. We are going to go over the water management system for the TR36P pressure side pool cleaner. Stay tuned. I'm going to dive in and show you guys what comes included. All right, guys, and we're back. So again, today I have a what's in the box for you guys on Polaris's trade grade version of their TR36P pressure side pool cleaner. They do have non-trade grade versions, but this one is meant specifically for that TR36P. All of the replacement parts for your cleaner are completely available for purchase, but obviously when you guys are looking to purchase that specific cleaner, it is meant for retail and brick and mortar sales only. That's what they classify as trade grade. We should have a blog for you guys directly on the website, so check the links in the description. That way I can kind of give you guys more information about what that means and what that means for you as a consumer. But in terms of the parts, if you guys are already aware of what you guys are looking for, this will actually be an entire new water management system base. So you're actually going to get a whole new base with the entire water management system already included for your pressure side cleaner. So they give it in a pretty hefty box here for you guys. Again, I'm pretty sure you guys can read the part number there on the front. No, it's on this side, of course. You're looking at R0732900. Again, it'll be in the links in the description for you guys so you guys can check it out. But it's just a one-piece thing here that they'll give you. It is the notorious silver base because Polaris, Jandy's always known for that notorious blue color, that pretty dark blue color that they have. So they'll actually give you the silver base and then you'll have that dark blue top that goes over it. But this is your entire new water management system. So you guys can tell it pretty much looks like an entire new base with the entire feed mass tube here for you guys. It will already have your thrust jets installed, as well as your sweep adjustment hose here. So, and the screw, which is kind of nice because if you guys look at the cost of buying all of these individually, it's pretty cool that they give you kind of a basic rebuild kit. Obviously, it does not have any sort of the frame hooked up to it. There's no wheels. It has no other functioning parts. So you will need to make sure that everything is still good from your current cleaner and that you're just looking, potentially if you have a crack in the base or maybe there's a crack up here in your water management system. Obviously, this is where your bag's going to clip on. So if there's any breakage in this, it's an all-in-one. You can't buy those different, so you will want to purchase this. It's just nice that they already give you the Venturi jets here internally, as well as those thrust jets already included and installed. Those tend to be the one of the most difficult ones to get off if you guys have seen our deconstruction videos on these. So if not, make sure you guys subscribe. Check out the links in the description. But it is cool that they give you guys all this. Like I said, it's their nice, pretty silver that will blend with that blue, and it's pretty straightforward. So if you guys want to know how to rebuild it, once you guys get to this point, again, check out the link in the description. We'll have videos for you guys on completely tearing the cleaner apart and rebuilding it. So then that way you guys can kind of pick and choose if you guys are running into issues. So, but pretty straightforward. Just wanted to show you guys what it includes. So then that way you guys, when you buy this part, you know what you're expected to get instead of having to buy the actual water management separate, as well as the base with the feed mast. You guys can get everything all in one. So I really appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Again, be sure to subscribe. We'll have a ton more videos coming your way. Until then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply, and we'll see you next time.